If you are learning Spanish, the first thing you need to know is to know some phrases to say hello and goodbye. Let's learn some. Hola, ¿cómo estás? It means, significa. Hello, how are you? Hola, ¿qué tal? It means, significa. Hello, how are you? More informal. And you can answer to these two questions with Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Or you can also say Más o menos. ¿Y tú? Hola, ¿cómo va? Hi, how is it going? Buenos días. It means, significa good morning. And you can say it to say hello and goodbye in Spanish. Hola, buenos días. Adiós, buenos días. Buenas tardes. It means, significa good afternoon. And also you can say it to say hello and goodbye. Hola, buenas tardes. Adiós, buenas tardes. Buenas noches. ¿Qué significa buenas noches? What is the meaning of buenas noches? Try to guess it. Yeah, significa good night. And also you can say to say hello and goodbye. Adiós. It means goodbye. Hasta luego. It means see you later. Hasta pronto. It means, significa see you soon. Hasta mañana. It means, significa see you tomorrow. And you can also say hasta plus the day of the week. Hasta el lunes, hasta el martes, hasta el miércoles, hasta el jueves, hasta el viernes, hasta el sábado y hasta el domingo. Notice that in Spanish you don't pronunciate the H. You don't say hasta. You say hasta. Practice it. Hasta. Hasta mañana, hasta luego, hasta pronto. Hasta. Que vaya bien. This phrase is a good wish to the person you are talking to. It means like, have a good day, something like that. Que vaya bien. If you want to practice these new phrases with some activities, go to SpanishPulse.com. The link is in the description. And also, if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. ¡Hasta luego!